Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna create the player animation, or mainly the player idle animation. Then we're gonna make a default animation using Animator. So these are the two major things we need to implement today in this video. So in the previous video we talked about how we can create the animation, and also we talked about the boilerplate, and we also imported our assets from the asset store. So let's get started. So here you can see, if you click on the animation tab, you can see there is no animation. In order to check the animation, you have to click the player. So here, when I click the player object, the animation pop-ups are right down here below the animation tab. So here you can see on the left corner, you can see the player. On the drop down menu, you can see our animations. So here you can see only one animation is loaded, right? So we want to create another animation for our player, that is idle animation. Idle animation means the animation for the resting object, or the resting player. All right, so what we have to do is go there and click on new clip, create new clip, and go to our animations, player animations. I'm gonna save as player idle, player idle. All right, save. All right, after that, let's drag and drop the animation tab to the top. All right, so now we have to select our sprites. So what we have to do, we have to go to our sprites folder. So right now I'm in asset folder. Here you can go to sprites, then characters, then hero. Here you can see there is a bunch of slices, or the frames. So here you can see that let me zoom it. So here you can see hero idle 1, hero idle 2, 3, 4. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select 1, 2, 3, 4, and all you have to do is just go and drag to the frame. There you go. So we have created our idle player animation. All right, let's go and check. Right, so I'm gonna drag that down. There you go. I'm gonna play. Here you go. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna drag a little more. Okay, let's fix the timing. Okay, not bad. Let's go to 25. I think it's good enough. You can adjust whatever time frame you want. It's up to you. All right, so this is done. So the next part would be the animator. Here, click on the animator tab. Here you can see all our animation, right? So the green is the entry of our game. The yellowish tab is the default animation. So when I play the game, you can see the default animation, that is the player walk, will execute. But here the player walk is not the default animation, right? We have to we have to select, or we have to make the player idle as the default animation. So it's pretty much straightforward. What you have to do is click on the player idle animation. right click and set as layer default state. Click that. Now you can see our default animation is the player idle animation. Let's go and check it out. So I'm going to run the game here. Now you can see the default animation is the player idle animation. So let's make the player walk idle. Look, so the animation changes. So that's pretty much for this video. So in the next video, we're gonna take a look about how we can control our player using the keyboard or the control keys. Then we're gonna take a look about how we can set the animation and how we can play around with the animator. So yeah, that's all guys for this video. See you guys.